Welcome to an Expense Manager tutorial. This tutorial will show you how to use Expense Manager on the go. With Expense Manager Mobile, you can snap pictures of receipts as well as create expense reports all on the go. The Expense Manager Mobile is a mobile extension of your desktop portal, so you don't have to download an app. When you go to Expense Manager on your smartphone, you will be automatically directed to the mobile site. Expense Manager on your desktop, Expense Manager on your smartphone. For easy access, create a bookmark on your smartphone home screen. The process is a bit different for Androids, iPhones and Windows, so if you're not sure, go to the Quick Help area on your desktop portal, choose the mobile link and click through, and we've given you a quick guide on creating bookmarks. This saves our coins icon on your home screen, and you just click on that to launch the mobile site. Log in to the mobile site with your usual login and password. It doesn't change. On your mobile, you will see your not submitted claims, all of your receipts, and if you are an approver, claims that are waiting for your approval. So let's go ahead and snap some receipts and create expenses. Click on the blue icon and take a photo of the receipt and enter in the amount. We'll default the GST amount and the date, but you can override these and change them. You will also be prompted to add a description of the receipt. Now you have two options. You can either just save this receipt to your vault, or you can expense it on the go. You would save the receipt to your vault if this was an expense associated with a company or personal credit card. The receipt will stay in your vault, and when the credit card statement is imported, we match the receipt to the right expense line. So let's just do that and save the receipt in your vault. So the receipt will stay in your vault waiting for your credit card statement to be imported. However, if this is a receipt for a cash claim, you may want to expense it on the go. When you click on the plus expense icon, additional fields will be presented to you. Update the supplier field if this is mandatory. And you will need to choose the expense type. You will note we default your category and your cost center, but these can be changed. The expense type is driven from a drop-down from your database. Just choose the appropriate expense type. You may also need to assign a project code if this is mandatory by your organization. And you're done. Of course, you will need to add this expense into a claim, and the default will be any existing cash claim that is available. However, you can create a new cash claim on the go, but we'll save this expense in the current cash claim. So this expense 12341 has been saved and created, and it has been put into claim 1323. If you wanted to, you can go ahead and submit this claim, or you can continue adding receipts and expenses each day until you are ready to submit. At any time, you can edit an expense in a not submitted claim. Open the expense and edit or even delete the expense. Just note though, when you delete an expense from a claim, it doesn't delete the receipt. The receipt is returned to your receipt vault. If you do wish to delete a receipt, just go back to the Receipts tab, choose the appropriate receipt and delete it. This will now take this receipt out of your vault. If you have a receipt in your vault and you've just taken a photo of it and now you want to expense it, just bring up that receipt and do plus expense. Add in the appropriate fields and save it. Some expense types have different fields to update. For example, an entertainment expense will require the attendees, and you will be presented with these additional fields when you choose the expense type. So just go ahead and update and save. Save the expense to the existing cash claim or create a new cash claim on the go. When you are ready, you can submit your claims at any time. You may wish to add in some notes. Click Submit and acknowledge Yes. If you return to your claim list, you will now not see this claim. We only display on your mobile not submitted claims. And the receipts that were attached to the expense lines in any claim submitted for approval are also taken out of your receipt vault and are not available to be reused. You can log out of your mobile app at any time. If you need any further help, go to the quick help guides on your desktop portal. Thank you for using Expense Manager.